Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away, whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. The paragraph informs to us that he said nonchalantly way. Nonchalantly means not taking much interest in Margie's suggestion. He whistled and went away. Tucked means to put something in a particular place. Tommy put the old dusty book beneath his arm. Margie went into the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Margie went into the classroom beside her bedroom. Mechanical teacher was waiting for her. He was always ready at proper time. On weekend, Saturday and Sunday, Margie did not study. Her mother thinking that little girls learn and understand better if they learn or study at regular time or hour. Because of her mother and little girl learn better if they learn at proper hours. The next paragraph, the screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. The paragraph informs too that the screen of the mechanical teacher was lit up and it said that today we do math subject on the addition of fraction. He requested Margie to insert your yesterday homework in proper slot. Margie did so with a sign. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in a schoolyard, sitting together in a classroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with homework and talked about it. Paragraph number 10. It gives the explanation to us that Margie did with sadness. She was thinking about grandfather's school when he was little boy. She was thinking that all the kids from neighborhood went together, laughing and shouting in the school campus, sitting together in the classroom and going home together at the end of the day. When school over, they learn same things. That's why they could help each other with their homework. They talked or discussed each other. They can solve everything related to study, and the best thing that teacher was people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now, the mechanical teacher starts arithmetic lesson, and the mechanical teacher flashing on the screen starting by the addition fraction 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4, and then Margie remembered and thinking old days, that it would be fun when all kids learn together. It would be more fun. So it's the lesson number 1 explanation. I hope you may understand. It's my request to all the students, write the lesson number 1 exercise with answer in your English regular notebook. Thank you.